grabe, tatlo ka video ka.
Early bird! Look, sino punta? Sige na, introduce yourself. Sige lang. You'll be playing for the bowling and I'll be hosting for this morning. Ay, hello, grabe, gantimplahan niya ko kape. Langga. Of course, yes, we have other players there. Hi, from FIBB. Defending champion for Miss Bai, FIBB. Yeah. See you, Rose, anytime.
Mic check. Ano na din mga bangkot ang available this morning? Ready ng cheer, Karol? 3 seconds na cheer. It's strictly 3 seconds lang ang cheer. Get ready. We'll be starting our program in a while. So, medyo stretching na kita. Ayos! Bowling provides a physical activity and a fun social experience. Maayong aga sa ating yutanan and welcome to the 2025 Interbank Duck-Pin Bowling Tournament. Yes! Take two. Ready.
Masira.
3 balls. Time to eat again. Natuyo ko. What's our third game? Running first, landbang. Yay! We're finally done! Congratulations! FIBB, BSP, and Land Bank, and of course, the Bay officers!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!